if I can see my eyebrows, I'm like, wow. Like,
beauties, welcome back to my channel. So today we were doing something really simple and satisfying. You're probably wondering why I haven't got my brows done on camera. It is because today I'll be showing you how to do your brows for beginners. So if you're wondering how I always get the snatched brows, then today I'll show you what products I use and also what are the easy ways of doing your eyebrows and what are the easy products to use that are affordable and not too pricey. So the first one I have here is the 3D brow tone, and this one is from Benefit. And honestly, I just got this in a free sample thing, majiggy, which you get when you order like Sephora stuff. And I had it laying on my back of my drawer and I didn't even know about it, so I'm just like, oh, let me just try this out. And this is how it looks like. Shade, I don't know. This is in the shade 4, so this is definitely not my eyebrow color, as you can see. But we'll work with it and see what we can do. I mean, that's what makeup is about, right? Yeah, it's really light brown. This is if you don't want a really thick eyebrow look, you just want something really simple. It may look like there's nothing, but honestly, when I'm doing it and looking in the mirror, so this is if you want like the simple eyebrows, nothing too much. Yeah, so that's literally how it is. It's good if you have really thick eyebrows, so you just need like something like this just to like shape it and you're literally like good to go. So that's that one there. So the second one I went in with the Benefit pencil. I reckon this is a good eyebrow pencil if you're on the go and you don't have much time to do your eyebrows perfectly, or in general you don't have time in the mornings to like sit there for 10 minutes and do your eyebrows, you know, because sometimes I don't even have that much time, to be honest. Yeah, like this one is really good on the go. Literally just fill it in however you want to and you're good to go outside the door. Like, definitely invest in this if you don't have it in your kit. I mean, I think it's a really good investment for those of you who are starting off. It's really easy to work with and it has two sides. So one is the pencil side and one is the pencil side, as you can see here, and then the other one is the spoolie side. So that is when you just pretty much groom your eyebrows so they can feel a bit special as well, you know. Just get like a little bit and just like to go like this, so when I'm doing that I can get a perfect line at the bottom. And just slowly just carve it out. And then from the top I like to get my pinky. My other hands are too flat. Normally I do my eyebrows first, but since I'm doing this video, I'm doing it after I applied foundation. So normally I do it before I applied foundation, so it can look a bit more sleek. So that is using the Benefit pencil. And then the third one is my absolute favorite, and it's the Anastasia Beverly Hills. That's what I use to do my eyebrows right now. And I'm using the MAC 263 brush. So for this one you have to be very, very careful and making sure you don't pick up too much product. So for this one I normally just start from the top, so I can see my guide. And then I just work my way down. down to the tail. So then I know how much product I have left for the inner part. So sometimes what I used to do before is I used to just start from here and then work my way from here to here. Now I'm just going in small sections. I'm going in a really light hand, like I'm really touching it. There you go. So then that's how I do that. And then with this brush like that, I do upwards and just go upwards like that. So whatever product you have left on your brush, you are using it from the front part. Because sometimes you don't want the front part to be really thick, and that's how most people make the mistake where the whole eyebrows are really thick and then sometimes it just looks not natural at all. So with this product you have to try to figure out how much product you need from the middle part of your eyebrows to the tail, part, and then how much you need for the rest of the brows depending on how thick or thin your eyebrows are. And I've got that part sorted. I'm just gonna go and do the front part in very light hand motion. Because you can see my sparse areas, like that's where it doesn't have any hair. And for this part, I don't want to create like a block where it's like you know, like very dark brown. Because that's where it starts to look unnatural, and that's when people start to stare at you like, what did you do for your eyebrows? So I just like to figure that out. Taking upside angle of a brush, just like that. And go and so you're pretty much creating like fake hairlines in this part if you don't have any like me. Sometimes I would just go like that, just slightly on top so I can just cover any remaining places I've missed, and then it gives me that shape. And then I just slightly go for concealer and just conceal the front parts mainly. And then I sometimes just go in the middle. So yeah, that's how I create my brows with the Anastasia Beverly Hills. It took me 5 years of practice to actually figure out how to do my eyebrows. I'm not an expert. We all learn as we go. Like I tell everyone, practice makes perfect, and make sure you don't ever give up. Even if it's trying to do your eyebrows or even like doing a wing or something like that. Like I wasn't an expert every day on eyebrows or even eyeliners. Yeah, just practice, practice and practice. That's what's gonna make you better at the end of the day. So I hope you actually enjoyed this video on how to do your eyebrows with different types of products, pomade, pencil and even gel as well. I hope you learned the difference of those three and how they actually make an impact on your brows. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe and like, and I will see you back in my next video. Bye!